Tip 1. Keep your scanner online all the time. Check every day to make sure it is online. Scans can still take place if it's not online, but the scanner will slow down over time. Tip 2. Keep your tablet software updated. Always update the software as soon as a new one comes out. Turn on auto updates to make this easier. Toggle the automatic software update to on under Software Updates in the General Settings section. Tip 3. Clean your scanner every day, at least once a day. Clean your scanner with non-alcoholic wipes or isopropyl alcohol that is not stronger than 70%. Not cleaning daily will produce a buildup of stains that will require more heavy-duty cleaners, such as granite polishing solution, to remove. Alcohol or strong cleaning solvents should not be used as they will wear down the black lines on the scanner surface. Tip 4. Scanner placement. Be aware of where the scanner is placed in the store so customers do not walk into it. Place with good visibility, but not blocking a pathway or in the middle of the store. The scanner is strong, but knocking into the camera towers will wear down the scanner over time. Any worries about the scanner can be brought up with support at support@volumental.com. Any worries about the scanner can be brought up with our support team. Be sure to include your scanner number and a brief description of the issue that you are facing.